On Earth, time feels constant, steady, and reliable. Days pass as the planet rotates, marking the rhythm of life. We measure time with extraordinary precision. Even small differences in gravity can change how time flows. Time already behaves differently once we leave Earth. Across the solar system, motion becomes our first clock. Orbits repeat, creating patterns we interpret as time. But beyond this familiar system, time begins to change. In deep space, gravity quietly reshapes reality. Far away, a black hole waits, barely noticeable at first. Around it, space-time begins to curve. Here, time no longer moves at the same speed. Two clocks now disagree about the passage of time. The closer you get, the more time stretches. Stars appear to slow as gravity intensifies. Space-time bends sharply under extreme mass. Time itself starts to lose its regular rhythm. Near the black hole, time collapses inward. The event horizon marks a point of no return. At its edge, time appears to stop. As you move closer to the black hole, time begins to slow. Gravity stretches time more strongly with every passing moment. Clocks near the black hole fall out of sync with the universe. From a distance, motion appears to slow and nearly freeze. Space-time curves steeply under extreme gravity. Time stretches toward infinity. Even the concept of seconds begins to break down. Matter orbiting the black hole experiences severe time slowdown. Near the event horizon, time almost stops for outside observers. Light struggles to escape, losing energy as it climbs outward. To the universe, falling objects seem frozen in place. Time dilation becomes effectively infinite. The event horizon marks a one-way boundary in time. From the outside, nothing is ever seen to cross it. Every signal is delayed longer and longer. Objects approach the horizon but never arrive visually. Time appears locked at the edge of the black hole. Space-time forms an infinite temporal barrier. Here, gravity dominates the flow of time completely. In this sense, the black hole kills time. Beyond the event horizon, time and space lose their familiar meaning. Inside the black hole, space-time no longer behaves smoothly. Time begins to act like a direction, not a flow. Moving forward becomes unavoidable, like time itself. Clocks dissolve into geometry and lose all function. Cause and effect no longer follow a clear order. Light bends back on itself, trapped by gravity. Every possible path leads deeper inward. There is no stable frame of reference. Physical structure collapses into abstraction. Space-time is compressed toward an unknown center. Gravity surpasses every limit described by physics. Matter and energy merge into indistinguishable forms. Information stretches beyond recognizable structure. Reality becomes governed by extreme mathematics. Predictions made by known laws begin to fail. Space collapses toward something infinitely small. Time as a concept no longer exists here. No external universe can be referenced. What lies ahead exists beyond understanding. Deep inside the black hole, time no longer functions in any recognizable way. Everything that once unfolded through time collapses into a single direction. Information is stretched, fragmented, and stripped of structure. Particles and radiation dissolve into abstract patterns. Memories, histories, and sequences are torn apart. Near the singularity, information loses coherence. Entropy rises beyond any measurable limit. All physical records are erased by extreme gravity. Space-time is reduced to a minimal informational state. No signals can escape or be distinguished. Identity itself completely dissolves. The black hole interior becomes a collapse of information. This is the boundary where equations stop working. Measurable quantities approach infinity. Cause, memory, and structure collapse together. Nothing remains that can be observed or recorded. This leads to the black hole information paradox. Whether information is destroyed or transformed is unknown. At this point, all descriptions of time end. What lies beyond remains forever unknowable.